Welcome back to WoodAndHearts channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: how ChatGPT can assist parents in raising their children. As an AI language model, ChatGPT can offer valuable insights and support. Don't forget to subscribe and let's dive in. Parenting can be challenging and sometimes we need a little extra help. ChatGPT is like having a super helpful friend who knows a lot about everything. With just a few clicks or taps, we can find answers to our questions and learn about so many different things. Whether you need help with teaching your child to sleep or use the potty, managing discipline, or planning meals, ChatGPT can provide personalized suggestions and strategies that are specifically designed for your child's age and individual needs. ChatGPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It's a type of artificial intelligence language model developed by OpenAI company. How to use ChatGPT? Step 1. Go to chat.openai.com to access the ChatGPT login page. Step 2. Click on the Sign Up button to get started. Step 3. Fill out the registration form with your email address and password, or sign up using your Google or Microsoft account. Step 4. Verify your email address. Step 5. Fulfill the form with required details. Step 6. Enter your valid mobile phone and input the code you will receive. That's it, now let the fun begin. To get the proper response from Chat, you need to teach him, and right so, called prompts. Prompts is a text consisting of key phrases or suggestions which are used to work with ChatGPT. I will show you an example. If you ask, let's say, "Give me options of games for kids," it will give you an answer, but not specific. I mean, for what age group? Indoor or outdoor? Active games or no? You know what I mean? So, here are some tips on how to get a better response from ChatGPT. First, as I said, before specify your request, provide as many details as possible. Give me options for active indoor games for one kid 3 years old using Pickler Triangle and soft toys. By the way, if you don't like a response, you can regenerate it. And time from time, Chat will ask you if the new response is better, so it knows in what way you like to get an answer and will use it algorithm next time. Second, limit the response length if you need a concise answer and don't have much time to read many paragraphs. Give me 3 options of active indoor games for one 3 years old kid using Pickler Triangle and soft toys in one sentence. Third, specify the answer format. Give me 3 options of active indoor games for one 3 years old kid using Pickler Triangle and soft toys in one sentence. Explain me as I am 3 years old. Let's read the answer and try one of the options suggested by ChatGPT. I choose this one. We can have a fun balanced game by placing the soft toys on different levels of the Pickler Triangle and trying to keep them steady as we carefully walk across and avoid letting them fall. Why ChatGPT is so helpful? By interacting with the model and providing specific details about your child, you can receive personalized guidance tailored to their personality, interests, and development stage. Second, whether you need information on common childhood illnesses, guidance on handling challenging behaviors, or strategies for fostering emotional intelligence, ChatGPT can offer insights backed by research and expert opinions. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips. Raising kids can sometimes be emotionally challenging, and we all need encouragement and support along the way. ChatGPT can be a source of comfort during those moments. It can offer words of encouragement, empathize with your experiences, and provide motivation during tough times. Fourth, additionally, ChatGPT can help you connect with online communities of parents who are going through similar experiences. It can suggest forums, support groups, and online resources where you can engage with other parents, share stories, and gain support from like-minded community. While writing this scenario, I asked ChatGPT what are the 5 questions parents ask you most frequently. The answer was: first, what are some effective strategies for managing my child's tantrums? Second, how can I encourage my picky eater to try new foods? Third, what are age-appropriate activities to promote my child's cognitive development? Fourth, how can I establish a consistent bedtime routine for my child? And fifth, what are some tips for managing screen time and ensuring its healthy use? Time for practice. Let's try to ask our own question and try to follow the advice of ChatGPT. Give me 3 options of Montessori-style game for 3-year-old toddler using only paper and pencil. And this is what we got. Game number 1. Tracing shapes. Materials needed: paper and pencil. Instructions. Draw various simple shapes on a piece of paper, such as circles, squares, triangles, and rectangles. Demonstrate how to trace each shape with the pencil, starting from one point and following the outline. Encourage your child to practice tracing the shapes themselves, providing guidance and support as needed. This activity helps develop fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and shape recognition. Game number 2. Dot to dot. Materials needed: paper and pencil. Instructions. Draw a series of dots on a piece of paper, creating a simple dot-to-dot puzzle. Number the dots in sequential order. Guide your child to connect the dots by drawing lines from one dot to the next, following the numerical order. As your child completes the dot-to-dot, a picture or shape will emerge. This activity enhances counting skills, fine motor control, and visual perception. Game number 3. Draw and guess. Materials needed: paper and pencil. Instructions. Sit with your child and take turns playing the draw and guess game. One person thinks of an object, animal, or a simple shape and secretly draws it on their paper. Without revealing the drawing, the other person tries to guess what it is by asking yes or no questions. The person drawing can only respond with yes or no. Continue until the guesser correctly identifies the drawing or gives up. Then switch roles and let your child take a turn as a drawer and guesser. This game promotes creativity, imagination, communication skills, and critical thinking. This is how in less than a minute ChatGPT helped you to come up with games that doesn't require anything but paper and a pen. That's it! ChatGPT can be an incredible companion for parents, offering 24/7 support, personalized guidance, access to expert knowledge, and emotional encouragement. However, always remember to use it responsibly and complement its assistance with real-life experience and professional advice. Thank you for watching! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with other parents who might benefit from ChatGPT's assistance. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more valuable content, and until next time, take care and happy parenting!